Xiaomi, the popular tech company, is all set to take the smartwatch market by storm with their upcoming release, the Redmi Watch 3 Lite. It's been more than 2 years since Xiaomi introduced the last version, the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. However, they have already offered the Redmi Watch 3 in December, which came along with the Redmi Band 2. Although Xiaomi has remained silent about the new watch's existence, we have learned about its marketing name, model number, and even got our hands on some photos thanks to the regulatory authorities. What's interesting is that the Redmi Watch 3 Lite looks like a combination of the Redmi Watch 2 Lite and the Redmi Watch 3 with a rectangular screen and a single physical button. The display is more square-shaped than the Redmi Watch 3, giving it a sleek and modern look. The battery life is also impressive as it is powered by a 2.85V polymer lithium-ion battery that lasts longer than its predecessor. The Watch 3 Lite also boasts Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which may not be the latest version, but it's still a strong and stable connection. It's worth noting that the Redmi Watch 3 Lite is expected to launch in various markets worldwide, not just in China or India. However, we still don't have a release date or pricing information. Nevertheless, the anticipation for Xiaomi's new release is already high among smartwatch enthusiasts, and it's easy to see why. With its sleek design, advanced features, and affordable price, the Redmi Watch 3 Lite is expected to be a hit among tech-savvy consumers everywhere. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting new device. Now, before we end this video, let me share some of the recent photos of Xiaomi Smart Band 8. The images reveal the device itself will stick to the pill-shaped design, but for the first time, the strap will be two-piece instead of one rubber loop. Both the Smart Band 7 Pro and Redmi Watch 3 have two-piece bands that require a little mechanism to secure them, yet this is the first time the company's most cheapest band is receiving the new remedy. The NRRA made no mention of the band specifications, yet given that the Smart Band 8 is indeed obtaining certifications in markets all over the world under the model number M2239B1, a launch ought to be imminent. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.